Hi everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change Instagram notification sound. So to get started, first make sure that your iPhone is up to date and open up your mobile settings on your phone, and then you will be appear with the settings of your mobile phone. Now go ahead and tap on general, and here you can see my iPhone or my iOS is the version latest 17.2. So my feature or this version allows me to change the notification sound. Now go ahead and tap on sound and haptics. Now you'll be appear with several options. What you can do is go ahead and tap on default alerts. Once you tap on it, so here different sounds will be available to you. You can just select any sound that you like. Once you have selected it, now go back, and here as you can see, accept the default alerts. All the sounds are same and the default alerts has been same. When you get the message on Instagram, the notification sound will be changed. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.